Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I will be showing you how to remove caption on TikTok video while watching it. The first thing you want to do is simply press down on any free space on the TikTok video and you will normally see the option clear mode. But it will not work once I have the phone in screen record mode. So all you have to do is simply tap on clear mode and that would remove the captions. Another option that you could also select if you do not see that option is by tapping on the share icon. And when you have tapped on the share icon, most of the time in the bottom row of options right here, you will see the option to turn off captions. But as I said earlier, you won't see those options because TikTok doesn't show those options once you are using screen record. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.